It is in our culture as Igbo people that a child is given a name 8 days after he or she is giving birth to. The Cultural and Creative Art Club, aka Dangerous and Creative Art Club. There shall be no ceremony. No libu. Agari away. Oriri nengonko. No shelike. Cherenani. Makagini. Get why? Ndewono.
I said it. Donald Trump will win this election. I have been hammering on this for a very long time. But this is not the problem. Nigeria is shelike. Look at the kind of country we are. Rice at 180,000 naira. When they're going to Azores Christmas.
Bye.
Batawa.
Ceremony. What is it for?
My brother, I am not happy. Look at the way the country is.
The
country has been turned down.
It is not turned down. A glass anywhere.
Imagine when I went to marry my wife. I used 180,000 for bread price. Rice was 230,000.
My brother.
Rice is not competing with my wife.
Yeah, on a rice with a body, carry your wife away.
All the country.
Everybody here now, what man?
Mama Kapatasa. So aka Junior Solomon. How can one man handle 400 women?
My role model.
I don't go to Solomon. Bata. Get down here. Carry my wife. My wife is in level. I'm going level.
You know what? I give you the woman. I get from Nasuna. Is it for what? Masino. Elandiala.
My wife is in level.
What is your problem? Can't you sit down? Sit down now.
It's just about my wife is in labor. You're telling me to settle down. If it is you, will you be happy? Will you settle down?
Nani give my him again.
Oh, Nani did that one. I'm gonna get I want one. Is it my son? Oh, my daughter.
I'm a couple of.
Guess what? Calm down. Guess what? Your wife gave birth to a bouncing baby boy.
I am not a full grown man.
You are a full grown man. Badasa. What are you talking?
What about my beautiful wife?
Our lovely wife.
I'm sorry.
I'm
sorry. We couldn't stop the business. We lost her. I'm sorry.
Nurse, are you playing?
I'm sorry.
You're not playing?
I'm not playing.
Somebody kill me. Asshole. Lost my wife.
What? I don't know. Look at this one.
Why you chasing my girl? Carry me, let me go see my wife.
Carry me, let me go. You want to die too? Will you sit down? Look at this man. What's wrong? My brother, calm down. Calm down. Now we have a son to live for. What is your problem? You cry too much. We have to focus on the bigger picture. That is the child naming ceremony in 8 days. What are you telling me? He said, child naming ceremony. Why his wife is lying lifeless at the backyard? Hey, he told the mother, did not expect this from me.
Incheno, what of you are talking rubbish? We have to name the child and then that honors the late wife. And before you're talking about naming ceremony, burial, thunder.
Shekator, Mazi Okoro here, as far as I know, has been married for 15 good years without any evidence. Now, he now have a son. So, I hear Pastor Kongwago now, he came mefula. Makaya get futalefu, he gets why.
My heroes, what am I hearing?
My in-law, what you heard is true.
Oh.
Your sister is lying at the backyard.
Oh.
Lifeless.
Oh.
My beloved wife.
Oh.
Come, let me come and show you your sister.
Oh.
Come, let me show you.
Oh. I forget about that. It won't be freaking us. As we were saying, the child naming ceremony. How can I cry more than the bereaved? So what are we saying?
Teacher, how will you be talking of in fact, name is Jesus Christ since he was born on the Christmas day.
Oh,
My in-laws, I have scared. You cannot take her to the mortuary. My sister, mortuary.
Mortuary.
Our wife, mortuary. Hey, Uncle, I trust that on the 8th day, you will follow us with your generous presence to jollificate the child naming ceremony. Oh, Jesus.
Odumon, I didn't expect this from you. My child is in the backyard. Lying lifeless. And you're talking about child naming ceremony. In fact, they even must hear this.
Yes.
They even must hear this. My wife. Hey! They even must hear this.
Shall we leave our traditions? My brother, believe yourself, I'm not here. Just look at.
Oh my God! Ijapa kebia. Babasa. Oh, put your thing down. I go make good rice salad. One name. Kind of got plenty. Long time.
Kanu marala. Here we hang them. Ayina makonga. Year after year, we celebrate our self. Anya pilozo. Nafa. Kele zono. Oshine aitama. Hey! 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 Aye! Oh! Hey! Ile imela. Una no maka owo our secretary. Mazo Koro's wife who died after childbirth. May God rest in peace. Amen. So we are gathered today and you don't got to talk about the money we have been contributing for our end of the year party. What do we use it for? Because there will be no celebration this year. We must fund our member.
It's really my suggestion that we use that money as condolence. Since the baby is alive, we can buy a gift for him.
Now, now we're under that business. My fellow women, did you people know that Emily here and her co-wife fought in the market yesterday? Sophia Afua, what a public disgrace. She must be punished. For what? Were you there? My co-wife Azuka is to be blamed. God forbid. My fellow women, have you guys heard? My husband no longer stays at home. He's not going out looking for all these Indomie girls. It is true. They now see the man on the internet, Baltasa. Hey, as their mentor. Oh, Diego. As for me, the Igbo people say, why Anna can't Maraba? I do wear those Indomie hats with bouncers. My husband can dance in my Jerusalem for other men. I always want his ass. Kata wash his clothes. I can do another thing. He will not leave me for those Indomie girls. For what? Wife material, 100%. Calm down. Exactly. If you package yourself well, your husband not gonna leave your Jerusalem for another. Fine, say. As for Nedima and her co-wife that fought in the market, her penalty awaiter. Let us prepare our gift for the continent. No thought.
Oh, my in-law.
Masina! Masina! Agiwaya! Ow! Kaya mo na higit pa Japan. Ayo man. What are you talking?
Oh, walk him. Ichem, nothing else. Ndị Ichem, Kelen, Rienu, Ngano, Kelazano. Ndị Ichem, Lenoji, ndị Chibem, unu ahụla ji. Mana ndị Igbo tụrụ ilu si na ọchị aha dị eze n'aka. Ndị Ichem, ka anyị gọzie n'ọdị. Chukwu abịama, onye na-enye ndụ. Dịka anyị na-atọ ji a, anyị ga-atata ogologo ndụ. Anyị isi ike. Ihe ọma dị iche iche. Ihe ndị a ka anyị na-ayọ Chukwu abịama. Ndị Ichem, mba na mụ mekwuta ka anyị were leba anya na ihe Maazị Ike gwara m echi gara aga. Maazị Ike, let's hear from you.
My sister was married to Maazị Okoro for 15 good years without any issue, no child. And Maazị Odumadu here want to give a name to a child. When my sister is in the mortuary, that is why I brought this matter to you.
Maazị Okoro, let's hear from you. Igwe, what my in-law here said is final. I am here today to give my child a name that befits the mother's text. Ndị Ichem, we have all heard them. It's time for me to hear from you. Remember, today is the 8th day, so we must make our decision today.
Igwe, Maazị Ike here. Oh, an enemy of progress. Maazị Ike, don't you have a name? Will the child remain nameless to the mother's buried? I got a woman and a woman. I can't go. Killing a bomb here.
Igwe, if I mean each other, what do you got? You walk pussy, I am baby. I got church, a papa or 2 million. Let us first tackle the burial before the child naming ceremony. On your way, you
are a blood
a fool.
You are element of distraction.
I know.
Don't you have a name? In fact, I am beginning to suspect you.
I know.
Suspect.
You are going there. You know, I'm a cookie. I'm a cookie postrate.
This is a threat.
A threat to life.
The actual police. What's here about
enough is enough. What? Arrow. The actual police. You guys want to invite actual police in this palace. It shall not happen. Better comport yourself before I do that for you.
Igwe, wait for me. Igwe, I told you, Igwe, oh, this is our culture and tradition. Igwe, Maazị Ike here. Aragababuya, forgive me for saying that.
I believe that the child naming ceremony must proceed.
Bam!
The child can remain nameless until the mother is buried.
On again,
Maazị Ike will go over.
Happier.
At least I can go for
Enough is enough. I have decided. There shall be no child naming ceremony.
Thank you, Igwe.
Until after the mother's burial. However, the child can remain nameless. The child must be given a name today, as that light with a culture. Maazị Okoro, come and name your child. Igwe. Today, I hereby name you Nemeka.
Uncle must hold.
Ndị Ichem, ọ na-afụna. Ndị Igbo tụrụ ya isi, mmanya ka anyị ụzọ, a ga-aṅụ ya aṅụ. Ọ gaghị igwe n'ụzọ, a ga-aṅụ ya aṅụ. Butenụ mmanya, ka anyị were ṅụọ n'ihi aha Nemeka.
Tagata, ndị Iche kelenu, rienu, ṅụọnụ, kpezonụ. Unu ebe anyị, unu ahụla otu o kwesịrị ịgba. Anyị ga-apụ omenala, mewe omenelu. A ga-aṅụ nkwụ, but the tradition must prevail. Ndị ewonu.